How to get verified on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. Now at the bottom, you'll find different options. Head towards the profile option given at the bottom right corner and you will land to your profile. Make sure you haven't set your Instagram account to the private. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Different options will pop up. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now over here you will find different options. Head towards the option of creator tools and controls. Open that option. Now at the very bottom you'll find this option of request verification. Tap on it. Now you can apply for the Instagram verification. Here are a few steps that you need to complete. Step 1, you have to confirm your authenticity. Firstly, type in your username and then type in your full name. Likewise, tap on this option of document type. And from here, you have to select a document type. Now tap on this option of add file. With that, different options will pop up. Choose to take a picture or open one from your phone. After you upload the photo of your document type, head towards the step 2, confirm notability. Firstly, tap on this option category. From here, you have to select your category and then head towards next option, country or region. Select your country or region. In the audience box, describe the people who follow your account, include who they are, what they are interested in, and why they follow you. After you type in that, head towards the next option, also known as. Here you have to list all the names that person or organization your account represents is known by. Heading towards the next section, links. Here you can add articles, social media accounts, and other links that show your account is in the public interest. Paid or promotional content won't be considered. So you can just fill these. And after you are done, you can tap on the option of submit. They will use the information you submit to determine if your account meets the verification criteria. If your account meets the verification criteria, it will be verified. So this is how you can get verified on your Instagram. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.